Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Today I am making very delicious chicken burgers, homemade chicken burgers and chips, and I'm going to share my experience, the best chips ever I found for you. I can recommend this. If you want to try, you can, and you will say these are the best one. And this is the exactly chips like in McDonald's, exactly the same, and you can fry it very quickly within few minutes. ये हमारे delicious chicken broast and chips जो हैं वो ready हैं. These are my chicken broast and chips are ready. So I'm going to show this sauce. I'm making this burger, and this is the sauce. I made it at home. It has mayonnaise, ketchup, and if you want you can use this Tabasco sauce to make it spicy, and it's really delicious sauce, homemade sauce. And I'll put this on the burger. And I was talking about the chips. These are very delicious. You can fry it very quickly and it tastes really nice, and I never had cheap price and delicious chips at home. And this is the packaging of its essential Waitrose French fries, because there's lots of variety. So I want to show and share with you, because me and my children love it. And if you want to buy it, it's only in Waitrose. I tried many expensive ones as well, and these are the best ones. So if you want to try, you can go and buy. And if you want this burger and fried chicken recipes, I can share with you. If you try this and if you like it, please thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and like and share with your family and friends. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.